Hello, let us learn how to read and write in trillions. Reading and writing whole numbers in trillion. In trillions. To be able to read numbers in their trillions properly, follow the following steps. First, you group the numbers in sets of 3, assign them their place value, and then you read it, the digit, then the place value. Let's take an example. Read and write the following numbers in words. And then the first task, let's look at the number 2148679 386 and then 512. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have a 13-digit number to work with here. And then next, let's go higher and say 702361582391602. This time, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15-digit numbers. Now to read this properly, as we have stated, you then start by mentioning the digit and then the place value, right? So let's see how it is done. Solution. For the first number, we write it as it is, grouped in 3 and assign place value. So we have 2, 1, 4, 8, 6, 7, 9, 3, 8, 6, 5, 1, 2. And what are the place value for each of these group? The first one we have are ones. Remember, always start from the right. The place value from the right is the ones, followed by 1,000, followed by million, then billion, and then trillion. So now that we have grouped this and then we have assigned place value, the next thing to do is to call these digits followed by their place value. So the right way to do this is to read it out as 2 trillion. Good. 2 trillion. The next set is a 3-digit number, which is read as 148, followed by the place value, which is what? Billion. Now you get the trick, right? So let's do it again. So 2 trillion, yes. 148 billion, good. 679 million. 386,512. Again, 2 trillion, 148 billion, 679 million, 386,512. And to write this in words, we follow the same pattern. So the first we have what? 2 trillion. The next 148. What is that? Billion. Good. 2 trillion 148 billion. The next is 679. And the place value of 679 is million. Good. Followed by 386. Place value 1000. Then finally we have what? 512. Good. So let's read it out one more time. 2 trillion 148 billion 671 million 386,512. Beautiful. To the second task, B. We write the number and assign place value. The number is 702 361 582 391 and then 602. And the place values, just as we have done in this case, we assign the same place value here as they are grouped in 3. We have ones, thousand, millions, then billions. Good. And then trillions. Good. And just as we have done in the first task, we read off the digits and then the place value. We will do the same in this case. So what we have here would be read as 702 trillion 361 billion 582 million 391,602. Again, 702 trillion 361 billion 582 million 391,602. Now let us write that in words. So it will be 702 trillion. The next number is 361 billion, followed by 582 million. Then we have 391,000 thousand, then 602. Beautiful. So reading this again, we have 702 trillion, 361 billion, 582 million, 391,602. Do not forget the steps taken to arrive at this. First, write the number and group in 3, just as we have done in both cases. Then, you assign place value starting from the right. Ones, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, and so on. Then, you read off the number in each category followed by its place value. With this simple step, you too can read and write any number in their trillions. Thank you.